there's our finished product there. Got a little bit of sanding to do here. We're gonna sand some of this out, backfill it. But you guys can see we're starting to fill in our areas, our rough spots. Now we got a little coating. Like I said, we're gonna just lightly finish sand it just to make sure we got it good and slick. And then I'll come back and finish it. And final product should be around something like that. So guys, once we're done, I give you yeah, you know, one of them things, what we call the final product. We'll give you a peep at that down here in the bay. All right, so this is the final cushion. I did have to use Leather Adhesion Promoter. Some of those rough areas where it was really, really rough and not super smooth. I just took some adhesion promoter, a couple coats, just lightly brushed it over the surface just to backfill. It acts as a primer, so the dye does not really allow for buildup. It's a thin dye in terms of the dye color, and it's water-based, right? So I mean, it's not acrylic-based, but that's going to give you all the flexibility you want when you need the leather to you know, kind of flex out as you're using it. You don't want it to be hard, so it doesn't do that. But anyway, so some of those areas I just took the adhesion promoter, backfilled, painted it over with a foam brush. And as you guys can see, nice finish, man. Really nice finish. This came out really, really slick. Super slick. Also did the Ottoman. You know, you guys want to take a peek. Kind of had some really bad wear here. So we got all that smoothed out, had a little bit of cracking there, was able to build that up, and just using the adhesion promoter, no filler, y'all. So if you got like general rough areas, anyway, looks really good. So yeah, they should be pretty happy. Coming to pick it up tomorrow. Full cushion. Got my shoes, the customary. What do I got on today? I got on the Dunks. Yeah, I mean, I'm at work. What do you do? Can't rock the good ones. So y'all, be good, be kind. We'll see you in the next video.
On behalf of the flight crew, thank you for flying with us and have a pleasant stay.